What if I told you the real flex isn't the suit, it's the hair? Jay Z became a billionaire not when he cleaned up his image, but when he stopped caring about fitting in. So, how did we go from the sharpest fade in hip hop to freeform locks that look like modern art? And what does that say about power? You look at Jay Z. He went from the sharpest fade in the game to freeform Jay Z dreads that look like a Basquiat painting, and he's a billionaire. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing y'all, well, not showing you my routine, but breaking down the Jay Z hair evolution. We're going to talk about how he went from that corporate fade to the freeform locks he rocks today, and really the cultural significance behind it. Because, you know, a lot of you guys ask me about the dread journey or the locks journey, and I think Jay is the perfect example of how black men hairstyles change as we get more comfortable with ourselves. Plus, I'm going to share some tips on how you can maintain your scalp health if you're trying to grow your hair out like that, using some Ocean View products. Section 1, Fade Era. So let's go back. Pretty much for the first 20 years of his career, Jay Z had a low cut, a fade, Caesar, whatever you want to call it, it was maintained. And you know, back then, that was the uniform. To get into those rooms, to sell your records, you had to look presentable by corporate standards. It was almost like armor. You didn't see a lot of freeform dreadlocks in the boardroom in 1996. He was playing the game, and he played it well. But as he got wealthier and as he got more ownership, you started to see a change. I guess that's all that matters, right? The freedom to look how you want. Section 2, the transition. Then we hit the 444 era. This is where it gets interesting. He stopped cutting it. He was going through a lot personally, putting out really vulnerable music. And usually, when we go through stuff or we're locking in on a goal, we stop worrying about the barber. We enter that wolfing stage. There's a story where he said Blue Ivy told him, "Daddy, your hair is crazy." And he just embraced it. That's really the start of the Jay Z Freeform Locs phase. He wasn't getting it twisted up tight. He was just letting it be. But yeah, this is the thing about that stage. When you're growing your hair out or starting a dread journey, your scalp can get crazy dry. You get that itch. So I'm just going to be basically showing y'all what I would use in that situation. Even if you want freeform locks, you need a healthy base. I like to use the Ocean View hair growth oil. It's got those natural oils that stop the itch without causing a bunch of product buildup. You know, you don't want heavy wax clogging your pores. Just a little bit of oil to keep the scalp moisturized. It's been great for me, especially when my beard gets rough, as well as for the scalp. Section 3, the Basquiat effect, freeform mastery. So pretty much, once he got past the awkward stage, the Jay Z dreads fully formed, and they aren't manicured. If you look closely, they are freeform dreads. They call them Congos sometimes, where the locks combine naturally. They aren't perfectly parted in squares, and this is where the art comes in. Jay Z talks a lot about Jean-Michel Basquiat. Basquiat had those same freeform locks. It's a statement. It says, "I am the art." It's the ultimate flex, honestly. It says, "I don't need to look neat for you to respect my bank account." You know, in our community with black men hair, there's always been this pressure to be neat, to have the waves spinning or the fresh lineup. And don't get me wrong, we love the waves. Check out my other videos for that 360 wave content. But there's something powerful about freeform dreadlocks. Section 4, how to get freeform locks, maintenance. So a lot of you guys are searching for how to get freeform dreads. It's actually simpler than you think, but you gotta have patience. Stop combing it, let it grow. Sponge method. You can use a sponge brush gently in a circular motion to help it clump up. Washing. You still gotta wash it. Please wash your hair. And another thing too, if you are starting out and want a little hold, but not that super stiff gel look, the Ocean View pomade is solid. It's natural. You can put a little on the sponge just to help the hair bind together. But the key with freeform locks, like Jay Z's, is low manipulation. You aren't retwisting the roots every 2 weeks. You're letting the hair do what it wants to do. but you have to keep it clean. Product buildup is the enemy of dreadlocks maintenance. That's why I stick to natural ingredients. So pretty much, that's the evolution. Jay Z went from wearing a mask, that corporate fade, to showing his true self with the Jay Z Freeform Locs. It's a journey. Whether you are waving, growing a beard, or starting your locks journey, it's all about confidence. Make sure you are taking care of the skin underneath though. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. That ocean view oil and pomade can really help you get through those rough stages. Like and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of hair growth tips, a lot of hair growth content, 360 wave content. And yeah, we look forward to interacting with y'all. So thank you for your time.